Yo, what is good, chat? What is good? I hope you guys can hear me. How are you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. What's good? What's up, chat? How are you guys doing today? Oh, I'm hearing myself. Let me know if you're here in the chat. Let me just fix this workspace I have. Yesterday I didn't trade, although yesterday gave a nice longs. How are you this week, chat? I need to fix my promo code. The screen, so give me 1 second for that. What's up? I still big. What's up? Good evening, guys. Good evening. Today I'm trying to go long again, chat. Long bias again today. I've been trying this for, I don't know, maybe 10 times. I've been bullish. I've been wanting to see this price to trade higher, but I'm not sure if that's gonna happen today or tomorrow or next month. We've been just in this consolidation sa monthly time frame between this high and this candlestick low, and I'm not sure if we're gonna have that run higher anytime soon. But yeah, we're so close. We did have a drop down, but we started to consolidate again. I'm not sure if this is another form of consolidation, another teasing, you know. But yeah, we'll just see kung ano mangyari. So far, right now, I have a bullish bias. Specifically, I wanted to see like how this 50% is gonna hold. This level right here, this is the 50% of the Asian range. I want to see price like respect this 50%. Inside this 50%, it is conjunction with an hourly gap, which can be found in here. So I like to see this gaps and see what's gonna happen and see a reaction from this level. Especially if we get a good when time and price align, I would look to seek higher prices and target this buy side liquidity pools upside. That's my bias for NQ. As for the ES, it's the same. I just like to see higher prices, really, like possibly all-time high this week and also 50% of this week. But in terms of drawn liquidity, I feel like NQ has more potential just because of clean equal highs and inefficiency, which is yet fulfilled. So overall, I'm bullish on the Nasdaq. YM is currently dropping down lower, which tells me the Nasdaq might be the leader to the upside. So YM has been leading for quite some time now. So maybe it's time to finally make it happen on the Nasdaq side. But yeah, I'm bullish and I want to see higher prices. I'm looking for it to trade internally first, like seek this sell side liquidity pool while filling the inefficiency. So that's my idea, right? We trade back into this. This is the last structure low, so we could have a deeper retracement, right? This is the 50% of this swing point low and then swing point high, so we could retrace all the way down to 50% or even have an OTE setup. But yeah, overall, I'm bullish today. I'll be interested to see what's gonna happen. And yeah, it's been just a crazy market, really, especially on silver. Actually, like this NQ is not doing much, right? We're not doing anything much on NQ, but silver, I saw it like dump 12 up 10% and dump 17% from high. I believe it is crazy. Someone made on Apex like, I think 2 million profits in one day. See, Brian Stong has been trading silver and has been crashing it. Yeah, it's been crazy. I see people killing it with other markets, and you know, I've been personally struggling with the Nasdaq recently because of this volatility we're having, and it feels like nasa ano yung volatility, nasa silver and commodities, you know. So yeah, if you're in the chat, let me know, say hi so I can give you guys a shout out. Dollar, I completely flipped my bias after what happened last week. Friday we had a huge sell-off, and then we inverse this weekly fair value gap, and I think we're gonna set this sell side down here, right? Meron tayong sell side dito sa monthly time frame. I think we're gonna set this liquidity down here, and if we go to the left, yeah, that's the most prominent so far to me. That's the most obvious thing. So this is a complete flip. No, na invert tayo sa monthly fair value gap. We traded higher. We did not trade all the way up. So I'm looking to see a continuation lower on euro or the dollar, and then bullish prices for the euro and GBP. So far, we've taken a good external liquidity pool, but yeah, this looks like it's gonna continue to trend lower. I don't think we're gonna reverse after we take out this low. I think we're gonna have a continuation unless we start to trade higher from here at this level. If we inverse this fair value gap, we could start to see bullish PDRA get respected again on the dollar. But as far as right now, it looks like it's very heavy on the sell side. So possible if mag-trend to continuously lower, possible setup is gonna be TGIF. Yo, what's up? Rain Azel, Albert Chung, thanks for the account. You're welcome. Hi, Chef Wilson, what's up? Ganda ng vlog mo, boss. Naka-inspire mag-trade. Let's go. Love to see those comments. But yeah, it's been positive feedback so far. I think I've seen some comments. Haven't seen anything negative so far. So I feel like you guys like those type of content wherein I'll just do vlogs, you know. Yeah, I think I should do more vlogs, but it's hard to think of content, you know. It's hard to think of something, especially when you're already like day trading every day. So hard to create content like lifestyle blog because yeah, it's just, yeah, what do I do, right? It's hard. It's like being creative as well. Content creation requires creativity and a lot of patience. I don't know, say, yeah, day in the life. Yeah, I could do that. But I feel like my day in the life is so boring. Like nothing really to be impressed of. I wake up, I go to the gym, I work, I stream, I sleep. Yeah, that's basically what I do. I go to the gym, 10 o'clock, I'll go back, 12 o'clock, I'll start working. Then around 2, magla-lunch ako. Then work again until 9 p.m. Yeah, it's just, yeah, I feel like it's not interesting. Hello from Northern PH. Let's go. Good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. So. Hopefully we'll get some Apex sales soon so I can stock some accounts. We don't have any good sale at the moment, so I'm hoping we could have one. Hoping we could have a sale on Apex very soon. Silver has been moving like crazy, chat. Silver's been moving. Silver's been moving like crazy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. What's up? What's up? What's up? I feel like it's one of these days now. It's so easy to pass an eval because of it's so easy to pass an eval dahil sa silver. I just wish we could have a good, Oh, we traded 50%, I think. Did we? Yeah, we did trade 50% of the Asia. We got Asian low, we got optimal trade entry on the Asian low as well. Gonna be interesting what's gonna happen at the market session open. Especially the Dow is currently dumping. Nasdaq is currently in an area where it's just consolidating, not really taking the internal liquidity yet, although ES did already. What's up, Paeng? What's up? Good evening. See what's gonna happen. Sana mag-announce yung Apex today ng good sale, We need a good sale from Apex so I can stack some accounts. I'm in a position where I'm about to blow my my accounts up here, right? Lapit ko na ma-blow yung mga account ko, 20 accounts. I have one with 300 drawdown. I have other one with 700, and most of them are currently $941 drawdown. So, yeah, I just want to be able to stack some accounts again if I get some good sale from Apex, which I hope they would anytime soon. If not, I'm gonna probably trade one account at a time. I mean, baka mag-trade muna ako ng, one account. Pag na-blow ko sila, I'll have 179, I have 151, but yeah, not looking good, bro. But yeah, I need a good sale from Apex so I can start stocking some e-balls again. Prepare for next month. Okay lang sa akin kahit na yung eval fee is like 125 as long as we get 90% off. I don't mind. Good evening, Antonio. Boss, pag nag 150k ka na challenge, ano risk mo usually? Full port every time. Every time I risk the whole balance when I trade 150k or any account size. Kasi I know I can make a payout with them, so I don't take so much time on my e-balls because I personally think it's a waste of time for me. Kaya, yeah, I'm just risking the whole balance. If masasuggest ko 50k. Don't go for 150k. I would suggest 50k. We're rejecting right now dito sa 50% of the ES, which is good. Want to see what the market open has to offer. You can trade easily above dito sa 40 level in my opinion. We could trade it as a 26405. We don't have a news today, right? Wala tayong news today as far as I know. We have Richmond consumer confidence, but that's not really a big deal for me. Eastern time, Eastern time, Eastern time. Oh, magsasalita si Trump today? Really? Oh, wait. Is it? Can somebody check? Like, hindi ko alam kung mali yung... Ah, Eastern time, okay. I'm not sure if Trump is gonna speak today. Ah, magsasalita siya mamayang 4. Market close, so not a big deal, really. 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes, market's gonna open. Need to focus now. In my opinion, we can easily trade above 26,045. That is... We already traded kay ES sa ano eh. Sa midpoint. Nakapasa ng ilan? Itong 150k meron. 100 na lang kulang na sunog pa. Oh damn, I feel you bro. It happens. Na-try nyo na po bang 100k static account? It's not worth it. Hindi worth it ang 100k static account. Don't even try it. Di ko pa na-try pero it's not worth it. Worth it. Just do the math. Anyway, market is gonna open. I need to focus here, chat. Need to focus and see what's the market gonna do. Dow is still selling off pretty hard. 30 seconds, market is gonna open. $19. Oh my god, naglag pa yung trade weight ko. This is annoying, bro. The fuck? Alright, chill, Iron, chill. Alright, we're dumping. Here goes nothing, chat. Still selling off. YM, what are you doing, YM? Naglag na naman. Trading view is lagging kapag malapit na yung market open, which is annoying. Alright, we dump into London lows. Up the London low. The ES is just consolidating right now. The YM is having a good pullback to the upside. Pretty weird. Pretty weird for YM. Although it's dumping yung YM. But it's dumping on the intraday. On the daily time frame, it's just consolidating. If we get a good displacement upside and we put on a breaker, I think this could be a longs. Right? If we get a good breaker up here, even just IFBG really. A good IFBG is enough. After that, sweep of liquidity. There you go. If we get a tap in here, I think this would work just fine. Something like this. Kapag nag-close tayo above and a good tap into that breaker, you know, this could be a good trade. But we need to close above. Look at YM. Wow, it just literally retrace and then dump. Oh my god, this is crazy. 15 minutes was so good, but in terms of daily time frame, it's consolidating inside day. What's your bias? I'm bullish on NQ, bearish on YM. Bullish on NQ, bearish on YM. I'm not trying to open a long here on this inversion. I would rather have that breaker sana, but it's a valid, technically it's a valid longs. From that closure, it's a valid longs, but I just preferred na breaker. Wanna see what's gonna happen once we trade this 15-minute gap. We put a triple BPR, which I don't trust too much. So I'm sitting on my hands for a meantime. Don't trust this. 930 for value gap. Although it could work, I just don't like the way now we did chop around in this area too much. I'm not gonna trust this yet. It's fine if I get left alone, but I can see price trading higher from this point on dito sa 15-minute gap and a bullish side. Or we could trade sa 50% first and then trade higher. Took a short-term high. Form a bearish SMT, ES, and NQ. ES is just not doing anything, guys. Oh, what a spike. What a spike, chat. What a spike was that? Volatility is kicking in. We tapped now twice sa hourly time frame. Just being patient. It's about to get hit yung 50%. So the idea is here is that we tap into this internal and then we trade externally to the upside. Just looking for that model to form inside this level. If we can get a structure start to form higher. This is the reason why I did not try to place a trade like longs up here, because we did not really break above. So I'm just waiting for, you know, a good structure to frame, a good model to form inside this 1 hour gap. Not trying to rush anything. Right, we touched 50%, which is a level I'd like to see price start to respect once we hit this level. This is when I'd like to see the model gets formed. If you form a 5-minute FVG here, let's say, mag-form tayo ng bullish breaker, a bearish FVG here, right? I want to see that get traded through. I want to see it trade above and then close higher. I'm not going to sell it immediately here, right? Because it's still possibly just gonna fill it and dump lower. So what I want to see specifically, if this is gonna go higher, I want to see it trade above and drop low, push higher. Still selling off. I want to see as well where's the regular trading hour gap, because that might just be the draw. Baka i-fill up nyo tong buong to, tong gap na to. Oh my god. Right. About to fill the 50% of the gap. ES is looking strong, consolidating at this level. %, about to get tapped. Sakto din to sa OTE from this low to this high. This is why you need to wait for the model to form before you start placing longs. Thinking about this, I don't have an entry model here. Unless I was highly conviction magda-dump to into 0.5, I might have shorted this. Pero I was bullish going into today, so not really bearish in any way. But yeah, we'll see. ES not looking good. Hit the thumbs up, chat. Hit the like. That would mean a lot to me, everybody. If you just hit the like button, that would mean a lot to me, chat. Hit the thumbs up, hit the like. Just waiting, waiting, and waiting, and waiting. Wow, dollar is still dumping, guys. Pretty crazy how the dollar is just so weak right now. Oh my god, bro. No freaking way. Dollar is so weak. EU and GU sprinting long. We hit the 50%. Now what's gonna happen in here? Are we going to continue selling off? Or is this the possible reversal? Shit, yan, ko na ako. My god. Wow. Super rip, huh? What a rip. We inverted this gap. Interesting. Interesting place on we are at. Wanna see how this 5-minute bearish level is gonna react. Like I said, for me to engage in longs, I want to see this gets flipped. That was a good long if you think this is the low already. Like if you take a long here, could break even once this hit. Like let's say you have the moment it closes. Yeah, it's just poor risk to reward overall, but so far it's looking like it's gonna V-shape after we hit that 50%. This is the part where it gets tricky because if we're not gonna close above this, I might get left behind trying to trade all the way up here because this is a bearish gap and we are in a bullish 1 hour gap. So we need to disrespect that in order for me to find reason to take longs. But yeah. Gonna be interesting nonetheless. Grabe si dollar, guys. It's down 0.63, which is insane. Super insane. Super insane. If biglang ma-invert itong 930 of BGNES, it's gonna go way lower. Nasdaq is gonna dump further. We might even fill the gap sa regular trading hour. If itong ES mag-flip siya sa 930 FBGs, I'm gonna start looking for shorts and target this, possibly the gap fill. Kapag na-invert itong 930 FBGNES and starts to trade down lower, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna start selling it dito sa gap fill to the downside. But if we close above this 5-minute gap, I'm gonna look for bullish prices because order flow in higher time frame overall is still bullish. So yeah. I want every time frame to align in my favor, you know. Ayokong mag-blindly like just buy here. You can buy here, but you need to have a wide stop, like trade micro. If you guys like have high conviction that this is gonna play out, let's say you believe that this 1 hour gap is gonna hold, then you need to place your stop based on hourly, right? Tapos hourly din yung target mo to have a good risk reward. Right? You could long here, this 1 hour gap sa 50%. But to me personally, I'd like to see that lower time frame structure to form to have a better entry. You get the chance of getting weak out, but at the same time, if you're right about the direction tsaka yung entry, you get a better risk reward in general. And you spend less mental capital on holding the trade. Morning, Alex. What's up? This one I'm not trying to long here yet because of this gap. As much as possible, I want, you know, multiple time frames to align in my favor. 1 hour is bullish, yeah, but 5 is not at the moment. Lamig po siya. Labi na ako lang konti, no? Wala pa ba akong ano? Alam ko meron na akong ano eh, pajama. Congrats on you, R. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate it. Silver is moving, not bad. Buti ba yung silver, it's moving, like, holy shit. We need that volatility on NQ. I miss NQ, chat. I miss ko yung volatility ni NQ. I miss the crack volatility. I need that again. US is starting to lead the upside. It's pretty weird. It's in a tight range, at the same time grinding higher. YM is in a weird spot as well. Wala siyang clear draw in terms of daily time frame. It sold off, but this might just be the price it's gonna stay around and shop around. Gana yung labi ko, nagka-crack. Right, looks like we're closing above. No, yeah, it looks bullish right now. Open up here. Bullish BD Ray are starting to get respected. It's nice. Bullish OBs are being respected at the moment, chat. Down close candles are being respected as we trade higher. ES perfect rejection on this hourly gap. Also form an SMT. ES is leading, huh? Ayoko lang sa ES, it doesn't have a good draw in my opinion. Like, hindi ko gusto yung draw and liquidity ni ES. While I like that it's moving higher, I just don't like yung draw and liquidity niya. ES is leading. Ang galing ko na to. Got the 9:30 open, 8:30 close zone. I like higher prices overall on the ES. Usually dito is the draw on the ES it's not appealing as much as I would like to. Wow. Insane, bro. Like, this is the setup from here. What's tricky about this is that itong 5-minute gap, it retraced from there. If I was long here, if I was, let's say I took a long here, price rejected here, I would probably did go break even. I would have probably gotten break even in this trade because I was unsure in here. Baka kasi bigla siya mag-dump from this 5-minute bearish gap. But we started to flip that. But the risk to reward is no longer that good and no lower time frame entries was provided. So one of those days, you know, na you get paid at higher time frame but you don't get paid at lower time frame. Wow, bro, this is insane. Still going. Just printing longs right now. That is crazy. Paano sa atin ticks dyan sa trade of it? I don't know. I use points. 1 point is 4 ticks. Siguro just do the math. Oh my god, it's still pushing. Freaking crazy, huh? Wow, coulda, woulda, shoulda. Could've, would've long at this level and just stop thinking about it. Long 1 hour gap, low. This would have been a 1.4 hour already. Yeah, that's some nice. Wouldn't dito just be realistic, but it's not really good risk to reward. 1:1 for that long of a trade. That's a bit, yeah, that's a bit, oh. Still going, chat. It's still going. I'd like to take a long, but I want to see down close candle again. First, so I don't buy breakouts, I try to buy the down close candles. So, ganito sana yung gusto kong makita. I want to see like price create down close candle and then get retrace, you know? That's where I wanted to be a buyer. Want to be a buyer at down close candles. That's the scores. Yeah, just being patient, chat. Nonetheless, no matter what's gonna happen this January, I'm already in an L streak, so might as well accept the fact na, you know, I'm not gonna do good anymore regardless of what push I do. So I'm gonna reset for Feb, but hopefully I get the chance to do that by having Apex sale. I need an Apex sale, chat. Who's waiting for Apex sale? Who's interested sa Apex sale? Walang week yung 15 minute? Yeah. Walang week yung 15. It has sa NQ. Yeah, nag-doubt din ako dito sa 5-minute gap. I wanted to see higher prices. Like, technically, this is a good inversion to longs. After natin mag-tap into 50% of the gap, this could have been a good longs. But like I said, even if I was able to take a long here, I would probably get break even. I would put myself into break even aggressively in this area, right? And here, wala akong model here because we're sitting inside 5-minute bearish gap. We just close it like when, yeah, just close it above here already. So that's not good. If you want to see it close, around this level, right? And then have a retrace. But what happened was it just completely traded higher. But that happens. It happens. Ultimate buy side. $10 candle is gonna form. We'll see what's gonna happen. 10 o'clock candle, chat. 10 o'clock candle. Ako, Lods, wala pa. Tol, did you blow your 20 accounts? Not yet. I still have them. Just $900 drawdown and $1 and $300 drawdown. So not yet. MNQ close sa 5-minute. Late mo nakita. Yeah, but I'm trading NQ, so I'm gonna refer on NQ, not on MNQ. That is the tricky part as well, right? Between MNQ and NQ. Sometimes that could be tricky. Silver, guys, is just dumping lower. It's pretty insane. We're like dropping so much. Like, holy shit, like this volatility, chat. This insane volatility on silver. I wonder what's gonna happen if I traded this. Am I gonna blow my accounts if I traded this, chat? Silver? This is pretty wild. $1 is a silver. 1 minute sa silver is like, I think, walang micro dito. So $1 sa silver, $1 move on silver with 1 minute is like 5K, I believe. Oh, dollar. Yeah, it's crazy. This is crazy. Ganito kalapit na stop. It's like 3K. Like, what the F? What the F, man? Asia low. Looks like we're gonna trade sa Asia low on silver. Just crazy price action on silver. Insane. What does this look like? Let's say we try to become precise here. Try to sell here. 2-4. 2-4 chat. If I tried to place a sell here, this is like a 2-4. This would blow my account. Freaking crazy. Oh my god. This is actually crazy. Would blow my account if I tried to take a short here. Should I do it? Looks interesting. Looks tempting. I think we're gonna trade sa Asia low. What about GC? GC is still far. Problem sa silver, wala siyang micro equivalent. Walang micro equivalent ang silver on Trade-Evate, so you don't have a choice but to trade the mini. Should I risk it, chat? Risk trading on silver? If I blew my account, it's RIP. RIP 20 accounts trading silver. Silver. It's kind of wild though. Ultimate buy side. 7 points away. Just chop right now. It's just chopping around. Freaking crazy. Oh. Externally. Oh, 4 hour, huh? That's gonna be. What a dump on NQ. That's some good dump, chat. That is a good dump on NQ. Some good dump on that price run. Then can may volume balance sa taas. Oh, yeah. There is a lot of volume imbalance whenever you consolidate your market in a daily time frame. Wow. Man, that was a good retracement to buy off from. That was a good retracement to buy up from, honestly. That was a good retracement. Wow, what a good retracement to buy. Chat, that was a good, like, good entry to buy. Like below that dump, that would have been the perfect entry. Quite annoying. I was looking at silver when that happened. Wow, what a good move, chat. What a good move. Honestly, that was such a beautiful move. Now we took out the Asia low, silver. That was a good move, chat. Good move. The meet draw is 26133. Did you take long on NQ? Not yet. I wanted to. I've been long bias starting today, but just didn't like the retracement or the price run. I'd like to get long in here. I tried in here. Dito, tinry ko if we could get a retracement, but didn't happen, so that was unfortunate. He's the one. Got a breaker up here. Unicorn model, but yeah, we're trading at premium already, so I feel like this could be a tight stop, you know, if you're gonna long here. It would be something like this, which is not bad, but I'm not sure about this draw though. Like, I'm not very confident that it's gonna get hit because we just had this consecutive, you know, too much consolidation. I'm not sure if we're trading away from this consolidation finally, right? It makes me question the draw just because itong consolidation na to is brutal. How many times did we try this? Is it finally the time? Maybe. Silver is so tempting right now. Yeah, I feel you. Like I wanted, like I put alerts on these levels. I want to see how price like trade from this level. But yeah, it's crazy. Like I've seen someone make a million trading silver. His name is Brian Stong. Like he's just scalping. Look at this guy. He made millions trading silver tonight. Pose. Yeah, look at this, bro. Like, holy shit, this is insane. This is him up 100k per account, then 62k, and yeah, I think he's gonna make his. He said he's gonna look at the scalps he's taking, 1.3 m. He's gonna go for 5 million, which is crazy. Like silver is moving so much. It's tempting for sure. It has a good volatility right now. It's nice to pass these evals on silver. Just full port when it's just trending. It's gonna be an easy pass on evals. Fortunately, I don't have evals. Breakout trades on evals are the best when it's moving like this. Yeah, silver just passed yesterday's low. Not yet in my chart. It's not yet. Yeah, not yet in my chart. I also get a 15 minutes per value. 10 minutes per value up here. This is a valid law. I just don't know where to frame my stop loss. I like to take those scalp basics. I feel like this one was the best so far. After we had that dump, buy below that low, stop maybe below this low, target this high. Let me. Did YM get traded sa previous day low? Not yet. Still so far. Tomorrow, chat, I'm not gonna stream AM session. I'm gonna wait for Powell to speak, and that's when I'm gonna start trading. Pag nagsalita si Papa Powell, I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna start trading tomorrow PM session. Not gonna trade AM. We'll probably slip the AM session and wait for PM. Bakit di ka nagtitrade ng crypto? Dapat naka-short. Naka-short ako sa alts. Bigla na hit SL ko. Gawa ni BTC pump. I talk about this a lot. Like, if there's a market that is way cleaner, why would you trade crypto? And if you're trading crypto, chances are you're trading your personal account, and it's not worth it to trade personal account. In my opinion, like, the risk and the reward is just not worth it. It's better to trade props. Risk to reward perspective, mas maganda mag-trade ng props. That could be CFD props or futures props. Congrats on new card. Thank you. Trade of 8 ba 50k account mo? I always go for trade of 8 whenever I go with prop firms. Silver is so crazy right now. I want to try and short silver. Here's isang account with $300 drawdown. I feel like there's no point in me. I want to see a quick rejection from this level. $300 na lang yung drawdown nito. So might as well, you know, get lucky from this quick rejection, dump lower. Maybe I get a comeback on this. If we just dump pretty quick after taking these highs. Yeah, essentially, yeah, I want to say $300. I tried to short earlier with this account. It went in my favor for like $10,000, pero yeah, I blew it. Wasn't enough to pass the account, so I blew it. Kung may 50k account ka, guys, like, this is such an easy to pass. You buy the dips, you sell the rips. Madaling makapasa ng 50k account in this environment, full contracts with silver. Fortunately, we do not have any discounts. $300. Yeah, I think I have more chance to get out of drawdown on this account by trading them individually. So silver, more chances, you know. Just imagine like a $1 move is gonna give you 5k profit if I'm not mistaken with one contract. Like, look at this. Dahil sobrang volatile niya, let's say you take a short here, your stop is basically your whole balance at this point. For me, dahil wala na akong drawdown. But if I get lucky, say this. How much is this? Dollar amount. Like, this is basically 5k. Pretty insane. And in 1 minute, market can move that much. Pretty crazy. I think we're gonna trade all the way down in here. So volatile, chat. So volatile. 8% in a day. $90% Apex? Really? No way. No way if we get 90% off today. Wala. Pinasa mo ako, Lods. I thought there was one. If there's one, I would go crazy on evals today. Oh shit! 90% nga! Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. This is it. This is it, chat. I'm just gonna pass some evals. I don't care. Time to swipe this. Oh my god, chat. I'm just gonna pass some evals. I'm gonna update my... I'm not going to trade my PAs. Just gonna pass some evals today. Chat, if... wait lang. Update ko lang to. I'm very excited right now. Gonna see me go crazy. 90% off, chat. 90% off. OMG. Announcement. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Ends Wednesday, February 14. Code drone, chat. Code drone. Palitan natin to. Guys, if you want to go crazy and buy some evals, use my code. I'm gonna start. Yeah, I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start buying now. I hope it won't crash though. Sana hindi mag-crash yung website. Ilan activation? $75. It's just $10. I need this. I need this kasi alam ko mabublow ko na tong mga account ko. Okay, guys. $19 per account. Palitan natin to. Right, let's go, chat. Ay, mali. Hindi ko na ano. Ang activation is $75. Ulit. I'm gonna try and pass 20 accounts today. I think it's possible with the silver volatility. I'm just gonna go crazy. I'm buying evals. Use the code ROAN, chat. You know what to do. Not trading my PA anymore. I'll try to have a reserve of 20 accounts. No, 50k. How much is a PA? 50k account is $75, chat. I already posted it in my Discord, so everyone. Mas mahal lang ng 10 pesos. 10, yeah, $10, not 10 pesos, sorry. Let's just refresh this and hopefully I'll probably blow like 60, I don't know, but I'm gonna go crazy with this evals. 9% off. Let's see. All right, let's see, chat. 94. So this is what I'm gonna do, right? TP, I'm gonna value, take profit ko is gonna be $3,000, and I'm not going to put a stop. So essentially, pass or smash. Then I'm just gonna trade 10 contracts. If trade above here, that take profit hopefully gets. Just gonna trade them one at a time, just so it won't be very crazy to do. I'm buying as I'm streaming right now, so bear with me, chat. Not trading the Nasdaq anymore. I just want to have a fresh start sa February. Once I pass 20 accounts, let's say nakapasa ako ng 20 evals na 50k, I'll start trading with size on my 150ks and see if I can make a comeback. If not, I'm gonna start fresh. Let's just turn this off a bit. One technique, guys, kung bibili kayo ng maraming account, i-save nyo yung credit card details nyo on Chrome para autofill yung ano nyo. Autofill yung ano nyo, payment details. That's one trick, chat. One trick. One trick. Oh, nada. Busy ata. Busy bumibili lahat. Mamimili lang akong POI, honestly, and just try to trade from there. You can even hedge. If gusto nyo, chat, guaranteed win, you can hedge your position. Isang long, isang short. That's allowed with Apex. Hindi nila binabawal ang mag-hedge sa evals. Only in tawag dito, only in PA bawal mag-hedge. I thought 20 accounts is max on Apex. Yeah. PA accounts, we're referring to evals. So I'm buying evals kasi alam ko magboblow ko yung mga account ko because of the amount of drawdown. So I'm stacking reserve, right? I'm playing it smart. I don't want to waste time. And the earlier ako makapag 20 accounts, right? The earlier akong makapag tawag dito, the earlier akong makapag-refresh, replenish, the earlier ako makakapag-reset mentally from losing streak on this 20 PAs. I have what's best scenario is makapasa akong 20 accounts and then I start climbing back out of drawdown on this account and get a payout, but that is less likely to happen. But yeah, we'll see, chat. We'll see. Makikita nyo dito what's gonna happen after I get filled. Alright, I am filled and there you go, chat. I am... What? Umabot ng 3K. Oh shit. Umabot siya ng 3K. Why was it not take profit? I'm pretty sure umabot ng 3K yung profit ko. That's insane. Hindi ba na bracket? Feeling ko hindi na bracket. That's annoying. That is very annoying. What? What's happening? Feeling ko hindi siya na bracket. Pucha, may stop loss na $50. Ba't ganon? Nagko-close siya on its own. Ba't ganon? Are you crazy? Okay, gawin natin max din. Sige, 10,000. Umabot siya ng... I'm pretty sure umabot yun ng 3K profit. That's just annoying that that happened. But yeah, I just blew 2 accounts right there. Let's see, 96. That's very annoying, chat. That's 2,000 pesos. Actually, hindi na blow yung 95. Hindi na blow yung 95, so let's see. Let's see what's gonna happen if we... Yan. Is this 3K? I feel like this is not 3K. I feel like that's too much. Right? 3,000. Really? That is 3K. It should be less, in my opinion. Let's see if I can sell here. 3K though. I feel like it should be silver. Feeling ko nasa maling kontra ako. CME silver. What just happened? Nasa tama ako. Ano yun? Ba't na-blow ko yung 196? Look at this. Chat, di ko nakita yun ah. Oh my god, what just happened? Sabi! Shit, what's happening? Can't believe this. Wait. That is super annoying. What just happened? 97. Let's see, okay. Let's try this longs. Is it gonna get paid? Oh my god! Chat! Holy shit! I blew 4 accounts! 698! Oh my god! Let's try short. Bakit ang layo? Tingnan mo, chat. Bakit ang layo ng bracket ko? Yun yung pinagtatakaan ko. Take profit ko is 3K, tapos ganito kalayo, 2.5 na drawdown. I don't get it. Honestly, I don't get it. This would be the last. This would be the last. I think it's possible dahil nagbabuy market ako. But that is some crazy. Look. Oh. What? Shit. Am I too leveraged? Like, I just blew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's insane. Don't trade silver. Why would I not do that? I'm trading evals. I'm full porting. Yeah, I have to figure this out, chat. I never done like 10 contracts on silver sa eval, so maybe I should just do 5. But that's crazy. That is so weird. Yung ano ko, yung take profit ko and stop loss. I'll probably like blow 60 accounts to pass 20. That's insane. Yeah, let's see now. Let's see. Grabe, grabe yan. Maybe it's the... Let's look at the seconds chart. 1 second. Or 5. Let's 15 seconds. I think 10 is too aggressive. I would try to go for 5. Just focus all with limit orders. Tingnan nyo, ang layo ng take profit. Alam ko na magkaiba ang take value. What I'm saying is that, why is it that 2.5 ang drawdown ko and the take profit wait lang. I'm gonna explain later on. I wanna see what's gonna happen here. See? 2.5 na yung drawdown ko here, right? This already 2.5. Down here. Right, let's see. Keep pushing, bitch. Bitch ass, come on. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. It's gonna blown, bro. You're gonna get blown. What I'm saying is, di ba 2.5 ang drawdown ko? 701, let's see. If I put this sell limit, ang nakalagay na bracket order ko, 3K profit is here, but I'm blowing the account at 2.5, way closer. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Tingnan mo yung bracket order ko, 3K profit. Let's say 2.5. Palitan natin ng 2.5. Ang layo niya, but when I'm in, it's getting blown so fast. I think mali yung bracket order, like in terms of the dollar value. Naka-dollar value naman ako. Hindi ko alam if let's calculate na lang sa trading view. Kailangan kong kailangan kong kuhanan kong ilang, let's say 5, right? So ganito kaliit na move, it's gonna blow my account. Yan, ganyan siya basically. It's gonna be 585, 0.10, and then on take profit, $3K, so magpasobra ako. Ilang ticks to? How many ticks is this? Kailangan ko mag-set ng bracket order based on this. I think this is 25 ticks. Yeah, let's see. 25 ticks. 25 ticks. 25 ticks. Gawin na natin 27 just because of the slippage. I don't know. 27. Yan, finally, bro. So, ganito lang kaliit dapat yung bracket order kanina. There's something wrong with the dollar value bracket order earlier. Can you buy an Apex account using crypto? No, unfortunately, you can't. 701. Let's see. All right. Oh my god, chat. I'm getting wrecked. Fuck no. Yeah, I have to stop streaming on this Passer Smash. It's not looking good. I blew like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 accounts already. Then, sama mo pa to. Every time I sell, man, it's just gonna reverse. I still need to like have a good POI, in my opinion. Like, good POI and then a retracement. But yeah, I've blown 7 accounts. Crazy. But I'll buy more. So I'm at 700, so maybe tomorrow this would be at 750. I would buy 50 accounts maybe today just to pass 20. Just don't have the time to. But yeah, max drawdown is hit. Yeah, max drawdown is being hit because of the volatility, and I think I am, yeah, probably over leveraged as well. NQ moving to the upside. NQ is moving. Yeah, that's pretty annoying. 7 accounts, wala akong napasani isa. What the fuck just happened? 127. I need one more day dito sa account 130 ko. Pag naka $50 ako on this account today, I will be able to request, yeah, this whole amount. It's on my 3rd payout already. 6th payout, sorry. Okay lang po ba Okay lang ba sa market open loads para tapos agad? Yeah, market open. Yeah, anyway, matagal pa naman yung matagal pa naman yung matagal pa naman yung sale, so I have plenty of time. Okay ba mag-trade sa wall chart? Yeah, for sure. Pero mas prefer ko Trade-O-Vate. I like Trade-O-Vate better. Pace good today on NQ. It's just in terms of like 1 minute time frame, it's not good in my opinion. Like, I need to do better like executing higher time frame and letting it play out rather than, always just wanting to go for 1 minute trades. Right? If I just focus on higher time frame and stop focusing too much on 1 minute every time, I could probably like find a good entry, right? It might take it might take a while before I can make a profit, but yeah, it's something that I have to do going forward. Trading more on a higher time frame than lower time frame. Gcash card pwede. Yeah, I think so. Lifetime fee, you basically pay the account one time. That is lifetime fee. Pag napasa mo yung account, you pay it one time. I need to be able to win today dito sa account na to. Just $50 para makapag-request akong payout and I can use that as a bankroll to buy 20 PA. I'm gonna use that to buy 20 PAs. Lods, paldo ka na naman. Dami nag-avail ng account ngayon. I'm not sure yet. I haven't checked. But I just lost $200. Ayan o. Ilan na account na blow ko? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 accounts already. So that's $160 already. I'm gonna spend a lot, chat. Like maybe like 2K or even 3 just to get 20 accounts again. If I can get 20 accounts today, we'll see what's gonna happen. Ano, other card pwede gamitin? I'm not sure. Ako kasi gumagamit akong chat eh. Gumagamit akong credit card. We have to build. Yeah. True. We need to stack some e-balls. I'm stacking some e-balls now because I know I'm gonna blow this pretty soon. What's the timing? Refresh natin. $707. Silver. Why is it gone again? Yun. I have so many tabs. Sell here. Ito lang kailangan ko, chat. Oh. This is the only move I need without any retracement. I could pass the accounts. Right? That's the only move I need. Ganyan lang kaliit, chat, to pass account. But obviously, the move for me to blow the account is much smaller kasi 25, ano lang, $2,500 drawdown. So what I do is pretty aggressive. Like I'm blowing a lot of accounts, really. I would say I have like 30% pass rate. Probably most of you are not, capable of doing this kasi masisira yung psychology nyo. Like your psychology will be pretty wrecked if you try to replicate what I do, especially if you don't have any payouts yet. So don't try this at home, chat. You're gonna get poor. I'm only doing this because I can afford to do it. See that? I'm about to blow it or I'm about to pass it. Either of the two. Maybe I should just do a breakout trade instead. Buy stop here. But yeah, this is the only move I need to pass the account. Almost there. Here you go. Pass one, finally. It's even a bit aggressive. I don't need that extra. I'm gonna change it to 26. So one pass so far out of 8. Out of 8, chat. One pass so far. Kinda crazy. Yeah, 90% off right now. Moving wall, huh? 6. Feeling ko pag nagsisell market ako, na-slip ako. Or yung average entry ko sobrang pangit, which is resulting to account being blown. Go lower. Go lower, my friend. Come on. Push it. Don't try to even retrace. Oh no, don't you dare. Don't you dare to retrace, my friend. Yan na, malapit na mapasa. There you go. There you go. 1 out of 2. 2 out of 8 so far. See what I'm doing? People ask me, how do I pass evals? This is how I do it. So 705. What a rejection. Good rejection, huh? Oh, was not able to short there. Let's see if I can do it here. No, sayang. I was so late. Good luck. Oh no, I was so late, chat. I wanted to sell there. If you're gonna trade silver, don't trade 10 contracts. It's not worth it. Better if you trade 5 mini. If you're gonna do what I do. Good luck, Ken Chico. Good luck, good luck. Use the code ROAN. You know what to do. 2 pass so far, 2 pass. Gonna see how many I can pass today. Silver looking bullish at 5 minute. But on 15 it's bearish. So it's still bearish on 15, but 5 is looking bullish already. So far, we might trade all the way up sa New York session high. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this today. How many accounts have I bought so far? How many accounts did I buy so far? My wallet is gonna get wrecked today, huh? Ano yun? Naririnig ko yung sarili ko. Couldn't ask for any better, chat. Like, I've been wanting to... I've been actually looking forward to this 50% off, you know? 90% off, and it happened, so I'm gonna take advantage on this. The trade 705. 705, my friend. Let's see. I get failed. 705. 704. Pwede mo ipasa eval with the deadline, then hintay ulit ng PA activation fee next. Oh, I just passed the third one. Let's go. 705. I just passed 3 account straight in a row. Let's go. And there you go. Pass another one. I feel like it's still too much. Still too much. I'm gonna use 25. Pag napasa mo yung eval, you need to pay it within 48 hours. Pag di mo siya babayaran within 48 hours, you need to keep paying the monthly activation or monthly subscription in order to keep the account active. Silver, silver. Yeah, that's okay. 2 weeks. As long as, yeah, if you're going to buy it, basta tandaan mo ito. Kung ang monthly fee mo is going to be, let's say, next month, wag mong hahayaan mabil ka ng monthly fee. Basta bayaran mo siya before ka mabil ng monthly fee kasi mahal ang monthly fee. $98 ang monthly fee nito. So wag mong hahayaan na umabot ng 1 month yung account sa'yo. Ganun lang siya kasimple. But at the same time, if wala kang pera, like if you're having difficulty paying for PA account, I don't know if I would suggest even trading. Like if yung pera mo nahihirapan ka to, use it for trading, wag kang magpapatrap sa discount, you know? Don't fall into a trap of, uy, discount ngayon, kailangan kong bumili. If you're not doing well financially, I wouldn't even recommend it. Ang marirecommend ko talaga if nahirapan ka financially, I would go for CFD accounts. CFD accounts are like $30 and then you can take your time. You can take your time. I-trade mo yung 5K account for 3 months. You know, don't get pressured. So, yeah, yun yung masasabi ko. Don't trade, don't fall into a trap of sale kung nahirapan ka financially. Let's see if it is gonna continue. Bang! 3K. Just like that, chat. 4 out of 8. Not bad. Not bad, chat. Not bad. That volatility. Just be ready, you know. When it happens, you should be ready. Let's try and buy this. Buy this and see if it's gonna rip higher. Rip it higher, baby. Rip it higher. Go. Don't you dare to pull back now. Wala, nag-pull back. I've blown it. Due to trailing drawdown. 702. Gonna temp it one more time. Buy again here. Oh no. Should have just shorted it. Oh no. I was so close on that. I was so close. So far, 4 out of 10. So, bad ratio so far. Bad ratio. Walang deadline in passing the eval. The issue is monthly ang subscription fee. So, magbabayad ka ba ng $98 for a 50K account? It's not worth it. So, make sure you cancel the subscription. Do I still have more? Do I have more? Yep, I still have like... Yeah, I still have more. Let's see. Kahit wala pa. Babayaran mo yung account after 1 month. Yun yung sinasabi ko. So kung ayaw mong bayaran yung account after 1 month, make sure na bayaran mo yung activation fee before yung rebill date. Yeah, so far, chat, I traded 10 accounts and blown... I traded 15 accounts and blown 10 of them. Only passed 4, which is bad. But it's all good. It is what it is. Na-blown yung other 20 account mo last time. They are still alive. Buhay pa sila, but the thing is, buhay pa sila, pero wala nang drawdown. It's just $900. So, nag-i-stack ako ng evals essentially. Nag-i-stack ako ng evals. That's what I do, stacking some evals. Yung mga 150K, buhay pa sila. Still have $900 drawdown. They're still alive. Pero yun nga, alam ko kasi, ano bang mas mataas ang chance? Mablow ko to, makakuha ko ng payout. Mas mataas ang mablow ko sila, right? So I'm gonna have reserve para pag nablow ko sila, I'll have accounts to trade with, essentially. Hindi ako matatenga. This market is just printing higher and higher prices. Kailangan ko mag-trade ng one more, like, sa PA account ko. I need $50 on this. Kapag nakakuha ko ng $50 on this, I'm gonna stop trading. Magre-request ako ng payout. I will request everything. Pambawi ko ng eval. 6 payout ko na dito. Bro, trade your account? It's a news. Yeah, that's possible. I could do that, right? The only issue I have with that is baka iban ako ng Apex if I try to do that, because like doing that method is not realistic environment. So if I try to do that and I get lucky, let's say umabot pa ako sa payout using that method, I might get banned. Walang max profit. Alright? 30% consistency rule is not a cap on profit. You can make as much as you want. The higher your balance, mas malaki ang kailangan mo na PNL in order to request a payout. So, pasok siya, lahat ng account pasok sa consistency rule as long as ma-meet mo yung biggest PNL na required. Nakakatuksong i-trade to mga breakout trade, but there you go. That could have been a pass already. Just like that. Let's sell the rips. Let's sell the rips, chat. Let's try and sell the rips. Oh, RIP. Selling the rips. RIP, chat. RIP. Selling the rips and getting fuck over, I guess. 709. Yeah, that's not a good. That's not good. Oh man, that's annoying. That's annoying for sure. It's not a good idea to sell the rips. Grabe. Talagang ano ko. Yung labi ko. Basag-basag. Sobrang dry. Kakasalita ako. Kailangan ko ng tubig, chat. Bro, paano pagsabay-sabay ang PA count kung different lot sizing? One moment. I'm gonna teach you how. Hindi ko recommend yun, but you know, here's how you can do that. Ganito. Kunyari, yan, nakita mo tong copy trading account group. Palitan mo yung ratio. So, kunyari 1 to, tapos ito 2. So, yan, dalawa na yung contract na mapiplace dito. Pero dagdagan mo dapat yung dito mo. So, kunyari, pinalitan mo to 5. Mag-add ka ng 5 dito. Right? Kunyari, pinalitan mo ng 5. Add ka ng 5 dito. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Palitan mo to. Ganun siya. Ikaw bahala kung gusto mong gawin yon. Chat, I'm gonna call it here. Oras na, it's 12. I'm a bit sleepy. So, magte-trade ako ng evals off stream plus mag-iilamos na ako. It's already time as well. Tulog na yung mga tao dito. So, no trades on PA to me today. Yeah, it's just unfortunate. I should have focused on higher time frame today instead of focusing on one. Yun yung mistake ko today, you know. Should have entered here. But yeah, work in progress, building my confidence back. Been in a losing streak for quite some time now. So, yeah, I'm gonna have a massive reserve of PA account and see if I can make a comeback on this account as well. No stream for me tomorrow. FOMC bukas. FOMC bukas chat, and I'm not going to trade the AM session. I just don't think it's worth it to trade the AM session. So I'm gonna skip streaming tomorrow and I'll be back Thursday, okay? If you want to use my code, use my code down below in the description with Apex. All right? Peace out, chat. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys sa Discord if you have any questions. 10 mini, 15 points lang need mo. Yeah, 10 mini, 15 points lang need mo, but do not trade 10 mini on a low volume. Katulad nito, you're gonna have a hard time passing kapag ganito. You're gonna get trailed out. You wanna trade one-sided move or very volatile. Huwag kayong magte-trade ng NQ when it's just like this, trying to pass or smash. I've experienced it. It's not gonna be worth it. So, yeah, chat. I'm gonna call it a day here, chat, and see you on Thursday. Pag sinipag ako, pwede ako mag-stream ng AM, but more likely, tutulugan ko yung AM session. Kasi, yeah, I'm just really tired as well from this routine na nag-gym ako every day. It's very tiring to go to the gym and, yeah, streaming at the same time, work. I feel like I'm awake for 17 hours, 18 hours. Tapos, all of those are active physically. Mentally, kapag yan, nagtitrade ako, but physically when I'm in the gym. So, I'll call it a day here, chat. Thank you for staying with me. No trades on my PA. But this price action is, to me, is good. Good one for me is this one. And then this is another one. If you just focus on the higher time frame, you could have capitalized on this. But yeah, hard for me personally kasi naghanap ako ng precision. And then sale happened. I had to remove my focus on Nasdaq and trading my evals essentially. So it's not looking good right now, as you can see. I've blown so many accounts, but it is what it is. I've been telling you guys this is the way I trade now sa evals because I don't have the time for them. And I'm very confident I can make a payout on PA anyway. So peace out everybody and see you again on Thursday probably. Peace out.